What's up friends, welcome back to tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Rednote on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So what you want to do, go ahead and find your Play Store and open that, and simply use a search at the bottom there, type in Rednote. Once you start to type that in, I'm sure you'll see it populate. As you can see there, the third option in the list. You tap on that and you'll find Rednote, tap on install, and just wait for the application to install. It's 141 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long. And as you can see, it's currently installing now on my phone. So let's hang on a moment and allow this to install. Now you can see that the application is installed, so you can tap on open, and you will just need to tap on agree there and allow. If you want to allow notifications, really up to you. I'm going to do so for the time being. Here you need to enter your date of birth. You can enter whatever you want. Once you enter the year and the month of your date of birth, you will move on to another section where you can simple tap on login. So you can simple tap on login, and you want to verify your phone number. So you want to go ahead and enter your phone number to log in, or you can also go ahead and tap on the option to log in with your Facebook or your Gmail. So I'm going to tap on Gmail as an example, tap on continue here, and just select a Gmail account and click on continue. And in a moment you will see that it bypass all of that, and I can go ahead and I can select some interest. So for the time being, let's say I like the book list and I would like the recipes, of course, and movies, and maybe some fashion and painting or something like that. Then click on start explore, allow, and you just want to go ahead and click on next and allow a few more things. And before you know it, you're right inside the wonderful app of Rednote. You will learn in future videos how to use this application, so I'll be showing you how to use it in future videos. But that's how to go ahead and download and install Rednote, guys, on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.